Okay. Now I'm just finishing off some of this. Just perfecting it a little bit. Remember guys, not too much foundation around the eyes here. You're better off having less. So I'm just going to blend it out a little bit here. And make sure it's really touched up around the nose. That's one nasty place when people have got pores and blackheads in there that aren't covered properly. Flat brushes tend to just drag and you see the residue of half a pore there with the big blackhead sticking out of it. So be careful. Not everybody, but you know. Now that her skin's looking really nice. It looks real. It's not caked up. It's not heavy. It's a good color on her skin. All right. My favorite product, the RMS Beauty foundation brush. Check that out. This is like, it's a little hypnotic swirl in there. Buy me, buy me. Okay, this stuff works amazing. Just pop it into the RMS Beauty Uncover Up. You don't need a lot, guys. Pop it on wherever you need it. Now these foundations, for one thing, are minerals. They are not synthetic color. You do not need to be popping this all over your whole face. You can if you want. It looks good, but you don't need to. This blends beautifully and it gets every single blackhead, pore, pimple, little bit of hair, blends this foundation right over top of that and makes it look perfection. And it goes perfectly under the eye. This actually blends so well that you can do your foundation without even looking in the mirror. The only thing you have to double check after is just right in the corner of your eye because you don't want to poke yourself in the eye. But I'll tell you, nothing gets around the nose. And right in this area is where it gets a little nasty and discolored when you get older. Other than that, voila.